Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. Don't burn yourself to keep others warm. Some of you act like a public electric fan, always on, free for everyone, never allowed to rest. You say yes even when you're tired. You lend money you haven't even paid yet and fix everyone's problem while your own our own installment. You skip meals so others can eat. You stay late so others can go home early. And somehow, ikaw pa rin ang may kasalanan. People call you mabait, maaasahan, laging andyan, but nobody asks if you're already overheating. Remember, you are not a power plant. If you keep burdening yourself for others, don't be shocked when you short circuit. Be kind, yes, but don't set yourself on fire just to keep everyone else cozy. Thank you for watching.